Hai, jumpa lagi di English. Hari ini kita akan belajar tentang English phrases. Jadi, common English phrases and sentence patterns. Jadi ada beberapa frasa-frasa dalam bahasa Inggris yang digunakan dalam percakapan sehari-hari ya. Oke, kita akan mulai dengan Nah, ini ada frasa "Are you sure?" Nah, jadi kata "Are you sure?" itu bisa digunakan dalam beberapa percakapan ya. Jadi ini ada contoh penggunaannya. Misalnya ada yang pertama, "Are you sure of what you said?" Kemudian ada yang kedua, "Are you sure?" Kemudian ada lagi, "Are you sure about that?" Nah, di bawah ini adalah contoh percakapan ya dengan menggunakan frasa "Are you sure?" Oke, kita baca pelan-pelan ya. Okay, I've had so many problems with my new car. It's driving me crazy. Are you sure you don't want to buy a new one? How can I? I already spent much money on this one. I guess you will be spending much money on repairs then. I guess so, unless you want to buy the car. No thanks, I don't think I'd want to buy your car. It has too many problems. I don't blame you. It's a piece of junk. Ada di sini yang kedua dengan menggunakan frasa "are you used to?" Nah, sebagai contoh kalimat, contoh dari penggunaan "are you used to" adalah ada beberapa ya. Contohnya seperti ini. Are you used to using chopsticks? Kemudian ada lagi, are you used to living here? Kemudian ada yang ketiga, are you used to staying up late? Nah, untuk contoh percakapannya seperti ini. Kita baca pelan-pelan ya. How long have you been living in China? About 3 years now. Are you used to eating the food here? Yes, I like it very much. What about chopsticks? Are you used to using them? It took me a while to get used to it, but now it's a piece of cake. Nah, jadi a piece of cake itu sama artinya dengan mudah ya, atau easy. Nah, kemudian yang ketiga ada frasa as far as. Penggunaan dari as far as itu sendiri ada beberapa, seperti ini contohnya. As far as I can remember, he didn't come home until midnight. Kemudian ada lagi, as far as I recollect, there were few people in the village then. As far as I can see, he is a big liar. Untuk contoh percakapannya seperti di bawah ini, kita baca bareng-bareng ya. Have you seen Tom? No. As far as I can remember, he was supposed to be on a business trip to Lisbon. Yes, but he was supposed to be back by now. Have you called his home? Yeah, but there's no answer. Maybe you should call the police and file a missing persons report. Kemudian ada contoh lagi, frasa be careful. Nah, untuk penggunaan be careful itu sendiri ada contohnya, saya kasih dua di sini. Be careful with the wet paint. Be careful not to spill the milk. Nah, untuk contoh percakapannya, oke, kita baca pelan-pelan ya. She has been calling me for several days now. I think she's interested in me. Are you sure? I think she already has a boyfriend. How do you know? A friend of hers told me. Ought to be careful if I were you. Why? Because I heard her boyfriend is a weightlifter. Wow, you're right. I guess I better not call her. Next ada frasa but this doesn't mean that. Nah, sebagai contoh dari penggunaan but this doesn't mean that, seperti ini. We are your employees, but this doesn't mean that we must obey you unconditionally. Kemudian ada lagi, you are much older than I am, but it doesn't mean that I support you without reservation. Nah, kemudian ada percakapan ini antara wife dan husband ya. Dear, we have been driving around aimlessly for hours. Don't you think we should ask for directions? Look, honey, maybe we have been driving for a long time, but this doesn't mean that we're lost. Really? Then, what have we been doing all this time? Well, we are taking the scenic route. Oh, I see. You just don't want to admit that we're lost. You know, sometimes you're too proud. Okay, we're lost, but this doesn't mean that you have to rub it in. Nah, kemudian ada contoh lagi. Nah, contoh frasa yang lain ada compared to. Nah, compared to. Nah, ini digunakan untuk membandingkan ya. Compared to other students, she's quite hardworking. Kemudian ada lagi, compared to city life, country life is quite and peaceful. So, how do you like your new job? Compared to my last one, it's a lot more interesting. What was your last job? I was a night security guard. That sounds interesting. Not really. Since compared to my new job, I hardly saw anybody else while I was on duty. Nah, yang terakhir di sini ada contoh frasa, do you mind? Nah, untuk penggunaannya seperti ini. Would you mind if I smoke here? Nah, untuk would you mind ini biasa digunakan untuk suatu ungkapan yang lebih sopan ya. Kemudian ada contoh yang kedua, do you mind if I ask you a question? Do you mind opening the window? It's so stuffy in here. Nah, untuk percakapannya, ini antara employer dan employee. Well, you have been working with our company for 10 years now. Yes, I know. It's been a long time. In all this time, you have never asked me for a raise. Do you mind if I ask you why? That's because my wife is rich. Really? What does she do? Well, she owns your company.